Hey guys, today is Sunday and we have come here outside. I have come close to my husband's office because he's got some work to do. It's just 5 minutes of important work that he has to do. So I'm waiting along with my baby. My baby is in the trolley. We are just waiting for him outside so that once he comes we can go. And it's a very rainy weather today. If you see, it's a bit raining today. What I am wearing is this. I'm wearing this Sufil earrings. These are my favorite pair of earrings. I'm also wearing this polka dot shirt. It's a very nice lightweight transparent shirt. And I'm wearing these shoes. It's from a boutique called Kio here in Singapore. I got them from the North Point shopping mall. And my jeans is Forever 21. I got it almost 3 years ago or 2.5 years ago in US. Hey guys, today it's a nice weekend. It's very nice rainy weather. I have just come out for some work. So I thought I'll show you guys along the area because it's been really a long time since I did any vlogging. And yeah, I am holding my husband's phone. My nails are really bad. I didn't get time to do my nails today. And I just left some conditioner in my hair and I'm just out. That's one of the Indian temples. This is called Sri Maha Mariamma Temple because there are a lot of South Indians who have come here in Singapore and settled here. So they have built this beautiful island full of Indian temples. You can see a lot of South Indian culture over here. So this temple is called Maha Mariamma Temple. It has some gold plating on it and it is very well known. And if you can see across the trees, that is just one Chinese temple. Such a beautiful architecture on it. And I just came across that also. We just crossed that temple also. And there is a lot of greenery around. This is the close-up of the temple. You can see how beautiful it is. And there is some prayer going on, so you can see the fire inside. This is the beautiful entrance and the gate of the temple. So I just wanted to show you the close-up of this temple. And I'm wearing these beautiful shoes today. These are my pre-pregnancy shoes and I fit into this, so that's cool. I'm also wearing these shorts. That is also my pre-pregnancy short. This is how the bus stops look here. In case you guys want to explore Singapore more, this is how beautiful and clean the road is. Oh my god, I love the greenery over here. Finally, I have reached the restaurant I wanted to reach. You can see it says Banana Leaf Restaurant. It's a Malay restaurant, but I have read some reviews about it, so I was craving to come over here. Okay, so here is my husband. He's munching papad. We just ordered some food over here, and today is a very special day. So, do you remember what is it today?
Yeah, actually this is the day we met 8 years ago.
Yes, today we completed 8 years of our relationship. So cheers for that. And that's it. I just remembered it in the morning itself. But I wanted to ask him and surprisingly he remembered it. He remembered the date and the number of years and everything. So even though the guy doesn't express, but he is not bad. So that's cool. This is the food that you get over here. I mean, this is what we ordered. I have ordered some chicken gravy. I forgot which one was that. Chicken 65 gravy, I think.
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka with gravy. Yeah, this one was chicken tikka with gravy. And then I've ordered butter naan. And also this is dry, which is like starter chicken 65. And my husband, he ordered mango lassi and I ordered usual sweet lassi.